Hey everybody, this is Ori from Circuit, and I'm going to show you how to do very simple QA monitoring of your screenshots and how to actually make it look nice for reports and for easy to follow steps in order to reproduce the QA. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to use the problem steps recorder from Windows. So it actually comes with your Windows device, and it makes simple recordings of every action you do on a website. Okay, or actually on your computer in general, but we're talking about website QA. Okay, so all you have to do is go to the run command on Windows and type in PSR and hit enter. You're going to have this quick steps recorder box right here. Okay, so what you're going to do is just click on start record, and it's actually going to start recording it. So every action you do, it'll actually make a screenshot and write some notes about it. Okay, so let's say we want to QA the login feature. Okay, so let's click on account. Okay, and you can see a quick okay, and let's actually do QA, let's say sign in incorrectly. So let's type in my email at test.com. Okay, and 1 2 3 4 5 and click on sign in. Okay, so now we see the actual error itself right here. So let's say we wanted to test that and we thought that, I don't know, the text was incorrect or something like that. So now we can actually use the add comment to actually highlight a specific section right here and write a comment. So something like this was maybe old text and we need to change, or typo or colors or whatever comment you might have. Let's click on enter. Okay, and let's actually go to, let's say, just another page right here, page. Okay, and you're going to continue to do your QA, of course, and follow and document it. So whenever you finish, you're going to click on stop record. You can also pause the recording as well, but let's click on stop. So once you click on stop, and let's do a full screen right here, you'll be able to see how the report looks. Okay, it's very nice, it's very simple. It's going to record every single step along the way. Okay, so step 1, at this time, here's what happened. We use the mouse wheel to go down, to scroll down. Step 2, okay, same thing. Okay, we went actually up, so we went up and down. And every single action is going to be recorded. Okay, so I left clicked on my mouse and I opened the account. Okay, and then of course sign in, etc., etc. So now I visited this page and I actually tried to sign in, right? So I clicked on the email for sign in. Okay, I went on, I typed in my information. Okay, step 7, I filled in information, and step 9, I actually highlighted this, and you can double click to see it larger. I highlighted this information right here, and here's my comment that I wrote. This was old text, we need to change. So, and then of course I proceeded on and I finished, right? I went to another page. So, one more thing, excuse me. The list in simple text of all of the steps is going to be actually at the end in the summary right here. Okay, so this is basically a summary of what you did. So now you can actually take it and you can actually save it. Okay, so let's click on save, and it's going to put it in a zip file. So let's save it as test number 1. Okay, and let's hit save. Okay, so now if I actually go to my desktop where I saved it, let's go here to test number 1. Okay, now inside it basically save an MHT file, which is basically like an HTML file. So let's double click on that, and I have the same thing that I saw right before, but now it's saved. So now I can actually take this and take some of my files, my images, or maybe convert it to a PDF or put it in my Word document, things like that. So I can copy and paste. And now I have a report I can actually use on, and this will be, you know, bug number 1 or test number 1, etc. So you can basically use it, do some simple QA, and it really saves a lot of time. It's a really nice thing. And of course, you can also write additional notes in each step about more specific things you did, and just play around with it. So hope this makes sense. Hope that you understand this. If you have any questions, I'll be very happy to answer. And that's it. Thank you.